3/14 of 2020. Another little tiny Ajuga removal. Ajuga intercept. Check that out. This is probably my 4th time through here. We must be vigilant. Let's do an Ajuga intercept one more time by the amphitheater. This is where we planted some Ajuga back in the day. I believe we're all clear here, mate. All good. I said this was Ajuga Intercept 4.0. This might be 5.0 or 6.0. We'll see. This may be one of the last bridges that we had originally attempted erosion control on. I'm going to keep going around the circle, check everything. Look, we're all clear here. Not Ajuga. No, probably some kind of violet flower. Don't remember coming this far with the Ajuga. Everything looks all clear. We're good. I think this was about, for sure, to be safe, the last couple of bridges. I don't think we came this far originally. I think we were good to go.